Okay, we're starting a bike ride here in Jekyll Island, Georgia, on a beautiful bike path. Look, there's the beach right there. There's the water. How do you like that? And there's the dunes. Jekyll Island, Florida. Wow, what a beautiful park they got here. What's today? March 6th. 2024. It's about 70 degrees out with a nice breeze off the ocean, no humidity and no bugs. We got it. We hit the right spot at the right time. Nice day. Got nice cool breeze coming off the ocean. It's about 70, 72. Oh, look at this. The Great Dunes Beach Deck. Huh. Wow. This is a nice place. You got picnic tables. You could, right on the ocean, you got a picnic area. You could park your bikes right here. Here's the dunes. This is nice. Perfect weather too. Turtles are coming pretty soon. Hatchlings, sea turtles. Wow, look at this. Look at all the parking they got here. Ooh. I guess you could park anywhere here. What do you think, Vic? Pretty good, huh? Very nice.
This is the beach where we can't go now.
What, no dogs allowed here? The dogs are not allowed? There's certain beaches dogs are not allowed.
That must be leash. So
Ruby could go on that one. Bike path, go this way. Go this way. Which way is the bike path? To the left. Oh, this is a restaurant. Oh. Look at this. I'm gonna go around. Ooh. Thanks. This is a restaurant. I think this is this Tortilla Jack's or something like that? I don't know. You just want the tiki hut? Out in front? I don't know. Oh yeah, there's the tiki hut right there. Tortilla Jack's or something like that. Wow, we're back on the path over here. We went around the restaurant. Boy, what a nice day. Look at this. This time to do this, man. You had to come here in March. Don't come in July. July would be too hot. Too muggy. Boy, this is like a street instead of a bike path, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this. Double wide. More of a street than a bike path. Look how wide this is. Very cool. Look at, they got all these places along the beach here. There's the ocean out there. These are dunes. They got benches you can sit on. Very cool. Here's a bike path. Oh, now we'll go back to a narrow bike path. Wow, this is nice. Jekyll Island bike path. Here, look at it. This is like a pavilion. That's what that is, with an overview of the ocean. See that? That's a pavilion, Vic. Nice. Good time to come. A weekday with no crowds, good weather, sunny with some clouds, nice cool breeze off the ocean. Jekyll Island bike path. Here comes a bunch of people coming the other way. They got benches all along here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? You're in the lead. You're beating them all. Go catch them. Keep off the dunes, it says. Don't go on the dunes, Vic. That's pretty shallow out there. You can see the sand.
Yeah.
That's pretty shallow. There's the water tower over there to the left. And this is all dunes here. This is nice. Very nice. Jekyll Island bike path. You don't need your jacket today. Nice out. Alright, we'll show you some more. Okay, now the bike path got us on, like in a neighborhood. We left the beach and we're driving along this bike path in a neighborhood, like along this road. I can't tell you where we are. I think we're heading north along the beach. Is that a way? So you got some homes there. This is North Beach View Drive. So the bike path follows this road this way. Once you leave where we just left there, the beach area, in the middle. We started in the middle, near the convention center is where we started. So we're heading north. Look at these nice homes. See that? Right behind that house is the ocean. So we're about a half of, like 3 houses away from the ocean, kind of thing. The bike path's not real busy. There's some people riding. This part of the path is shaded. It's got trees. Look at live oaks. Look at that live oak, Vit. Nice one. Beautiful. Alright, we'll show you some more. Okay, we're up here by Driftwood Beach. They call this Driftwood Beach. See that? That's all like dead trees and driftwood. The bike path goes right through here. It's kind of watery because we had a lot of rain since last weekend here. Last night it poured in the middle of the night. Thank God it ain't raining now. It's a beautiful day. Driftwood Beach, Vic. It's got all the dead wood. The driftwood. It says keep out. You're not supposed to walk around in there. Here's the dunes. Uh-oh, the bike path turns to sand.
Got all that over there.
It's a sandy bike path. That's Driftwood Beach.
No, I mean all those.
Oh, those are homes. Huh. I guess you could ride through here, but I'm not gonna. Hey, look at that bird. What are those, egrets?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. We're at Driftwood Beach. This is a famous beach here. Reminds me of Stump Hole, don't it?
A little bit.
There it's Cape Sandblast. Very cool. Okay. Okay, we're at the Jekyll Island campground. Cool, check it out. Check it out. It's the Jekyll Island campground. This says wrong way, but I got a bike. Check it out. There's a camp store. Here's a camp store. Welcome. Life is better around a campfire. Jekyll Island campground. Oh, it's nice and shaded. Let's check it out. Not exactly level, but I guess, what are you going to ask for? Oh, there's a coach house. Platinum XL. Here's the bathrooms. That's section B. It's packed. Not one empty slate, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Check it out. Oh, I got a Jeep. They're here from New Jersey. Wow, nice. I don't think I camp here though, but nice. Very nice. Shaded. Huh. Jekyll Island Campground. Uh-oh, there's section C. We just went through B, I guess. I think this is a good spot for a smaller camper, not for my motorhome. Very nice. Okay, we'll show you some more. Okay, now we're crossing the road from the campground. We're in this road heading to Clam Creek picnic area. It's called Clam Creek Picnic Area on Jekyll Island. I think it's at the very top of the island. Hi guys.
Hi.
Nice day, huh? Look at this trees. Look how nice and shaded this is. Very nice. Hey, I like your bike.
Yeah, like right
Clam Creek. We're heading to Clam Creek picnic area. Where that is. I'll show you when I get there. Okay, we're here at the end. Let's see what we see. Here's a car here. Let me get around this guy. Oh, there's the pier. I see. This is like a point. There was the bridge to St. Simon Island over there. See, this is a point. That's the pier right there, straight ahead. You could go fishing here. Fishing pier. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there's a beach there too. And there's a walking path to the beach. Wow, that's nice. I don't know what the island that is over there. What do you got here? Wildlife viewing area. Very cool. Huh. Let's go see what's over here. This is at the very end of the island. Jekyll Island. This is the picnic area. Pier. See? Let me go right up here. You can see the bridge to St. Simon right there. Straight ahead. There's the ocean. Intercoastal waterway. I can see a marker out there. There's a guy that's fishing. Wow. Very cool. Oh, there's a seagull. And I think this is some kind of a bait shop. Yeah, gifts, snacks. I like that. Jekyll Pier. Very cool. Wow. Very nice. I lost Vicky though. I don't know where she went. Oh well. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're heading out of the picnic area, and looks like they got a place here where they have horses. See that? There are no horses here now, but they have carriage rides. It says Golden Isles Carriage and Trail. Huh. But there's no horses here today. Maybe it's on weekends only. I don't know. It's March. So maybe they come on a weekend. Because weekdays are kind of slow. Like now. That's why we're here. Look at this nice parkway. The way the trees are and everything. Isn't that nice? Very nice. Alright, we'll show you some more on the bike ride here. Okay, we're heading back. There's the beach. Right there. What a nice day. What a nice ride. I've gone so far 10 miles. got these nice boardwalks that go over the dunes, so you save the dunes. See that? You can ride your bike right along the ocean here. All by yourselves. This looks like some kind of a hotel resort of some type. Right there. Very nice. Alright, we're gonna keep going, heading back now. We've done 10 miles. Okay, we're back at the convention center here. And I don't know what this is here. It's got a painting on the side of the building that says Jekyll Island. I think these are shops or restaurants. I don't know. Looks like there's a shopping area here. I think. We didn't come through here initially. Yeah. Beach Village. That's what this is. Check this out. Wow. Beach Village, Jekyll Island. Very cool. Here we are, Beach Village. They got Larry's Giant Subs. Oh man. The salt table. What's that? Souvenirs. Gift shop. Here's your frozen yogurt. Oh, this is nice. They got all these shops in here. You can ride your bikes right through. Oh, there's a legend with a map. There's Tonia's. And Jekyll and marked something. Jekyll Market. Oh, they got food. Huh. Very cool. The Beach Village. Oh, and we parked right over there. We didn't even know it. We parked right by the Beach Village. Huh. Let's go back this way. The Beach Village. Let's see what all the shops they got here. Maxwell's. They got Maxwell's. Cutie Pahootie. Some more shops. Good Vibes. Life is Good. Oh, they got Life is Good shop. Hey.
I'll stand still.
I'm gonna go slow. Look at that. Very cool. The Wee Pub. Oh. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, I like your hat.
Thank you.
Oh, here's a resort. Harry's Lounge. Look at that. Oh, this is the Westin. Oh, the Westin Hotel. I didn't know that. Oh, they got Starbucks. They have Starbucks. Starbucks everywhere. They got music too. Starbucks, music. Very cool. Someone's flying a kite out there in the ocean. So this is a little mall like. Oh, I think I lost Vicky. Hang on a minute. Alright, on the other side of the Reston. Look at this. This is what they see over here to my left is the ocean. Oh, there's a nice storyboard. I can't stop though. Oh, they got a pool. Alright. They even got a pool. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty nice, huh? They got a Westin Hotel right here in the middle of all of it, where the shops are at. They got a convention center. Not bad. This is a good place to have a convention. Huh. And there's the ocean right there. You're right on the water. Jekyll Island. Good idea. They got storyboards everywhere. Another pool. Look at that. Okay, I'll show you some more. Okay, we're back. We're gonna head back to the car. I gotta go around over here. This is a traffic circle. We're parked right over there in that parking lot. I just gotta cross this street and we'll be back to where we parked. Nice quiet area. I'll tell you that much. They even got storyboards over here. There's the car. Oh, we got a Navion next to us. Somebody's here with their Navion. That's it. We did it. 12.2 on my odometer for the bike. So that's not bad. 12.2 miles. I don't know what Vicky has on hers. She's still behind me here somewhere. I can't even find her. I lost her. Huh. Oh well. She'll be coming along. Here she comes. Late, as usual. How many miles you got?
Got 11.7 on my bike.
I got 12.2. What's on your watch?
12.89.
12.8 on the watch? Huh.
12.89.
12.89. Alright, that's it. See ya.